Hi friends! Welcome to Ikey's Wonder World! Hi kids! Let's learn some sea animals' names. This is Lionfish. Say Lionfish. This is Seahorse. Say Seahorse.
This is Crab. Say Crab.
This is Sea Turtle. Say Sea Turtle.
This is Wrasse. Say Wrasse. This is Cardinalfish. Say Cardinalfish.
This is Anglerfish. Say Anglerfish. This is Damselfish. Say Damselfish.
This is Boxfish. Say Boxfish.
This is Moorish Idol. Say Moorish Idol.
This is Clown Triggerfish. Say Clown Triggerfish.
This is Butterfly Fish. Say Butterfly Fish. This is Swordfish. Say Swordfish. This is Tuna. Say Tuna.
This is Angelfish. Say Angelfish.
This is Starfish. Say Starfish.
This is Pufferfish. Say Pufferfish.
Wow! A shark. Say shark. Wow! A goldfish. Say goldfish. Look! A clownfish. Say clownfish. Please subscribe Ikey's Wonder World.